Event readiness analysis, covering how the numbers work, what you see step by step. Readiness is a weighted combination of training load, consistency, recovery quality, and physiological signals. Each component contributes a portion of the total 0-100 score. A ring showing your readiness score with a colored label badge, like race ready or building. Below are component breakdown bars showing each subscore as a progress bar. Same readiness engine as the dashboard ring, heuristic weighted sum or gradient boosting classifier C readiness ring. This card shows all subcomponents, not just the top three. ACWR balance 0.3, fatigue freshness 0.25, training recency 0.2, physiological 0.15, and consistency bonus 0.1. Strava tells you what you did. Garmin shows your data. PIRX tells you why it happened and what's next. Read the full guide at pirx.ca/docs and start your 14-day free trial today.